With the introduction of the latest version of AnalysisSuite software, version 3.1, we now have the ability to statistically assess the performance and capability of assays for the QuantStudio 3D platform, without the need to generate titration curves with your reagents. This value is also called the limit of detection of your assay. The first step to doing this is to assign tasks to your chips with the designation of Rare Unknown, Wild Type, or No Template Control in the Define Chips tab. It is good to note that to use the limit of detection function, you will need at the very minimum 2 wild-type control chips per assay. However, we recommend that you have 4 wild-type control chips for a more accurate assessment of the assay. You will then need to go to the Review Data tab and adjust the calls for the chips. For more instructions on how to do this, please refer to the Calling Workflow tutorial video. Now go into See Results tab and select the sub-tab labeled LOD. What the software does is it counts the number of false positives present on your wild-type chips for a given assay and then normalizes it against the wild-type quantification of a given chip. Then this value is averaged and assessed to give you the limit of detection, the minimum number of rare positive points that you need, and the calculated sensitivity of your assay. For example, for the assay listed here, this assay can confidently assess as low of a concentration as 0.12%, with a minimum of 1 rare positive point per chip. The values from the limit of detection table can then be exported in CSV format using the Export tab. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Please watch the other AnalysisSuite video tutorials for more tips on how to use the software.